Welcome, this is a section about security concerns intrusion detection. We'll be looking at the threat analysis topic. So we will be using the k-means clustering for an anomaly detection. We'll be analyzing network input data and loading it in Apache Spark. We'll be implementing clustering, choosing the number of clusters. So this is a first video and we'll be looking at the topic of anomaly detection. So we will see what the anomaly is and how to cluster data and use unsupervised machine learning techniques to speed up and to implement anomaly detection. So let's say that we have some kind of value and time, and we can see that that value varies not much, but there something weird occurs and anomaly happen. So we have some kind of threshold and we can find out that this is an anomaly. So the question is how to detect it. It could be used in the fraud detection. So for example, if we have a web page and if we have some kind of different pattern, behavior pattern of user, then we will have some kind of fraud detection mechanism that finds out about it and notifies some other service on our people. And we can use a clustering to achieve that. So let's say that we will have a 3 clusters, that red, green and blue, and that points will be assigned to one of those 3 clusters. And if some point arrived that cannot be assigned to any of it from those clusters and will be far from cluster red, green and blue, it can mean that this is an anomaly because we didn't saw similar action in the past. So this is the first time we see such action. And how to cluster data? So we'll be using k-means clustering. We'll be setting the k hyperparameter of the model, and k-means clustering will find number of clusters.